Hello guys, let's create duotone and many other effects using Canva. First of all, go to canva.com. Upload pictures from your device or other drives. Let's work on this pic. Click on the picture, go to effects, and here you go. There are a lot of duotone effects such as cherry, fuchsia, pop, sea green, pomelo, there are around 23 duotone effects. If you are satisfied with one, hit apply. If you want to download this pic, click on that button and export as PNG, JPEG or any of your preferred version. Let's work on another pic. Let's work on that pic. Go to effects, let's try some glitch effects. Here is a split effect, radiate, trace, moodstone, etc. Let's try another effects such as halftone, canvas, trail, there are some slice effects as well. Liquify Effects, Pixelate Effects, Matrix, Dots, Shatter, Polar, Palette, Pixel, Micro, etc. Let's try some BadTV Effects. Retro, Rerun, Tube, Warp, VHS, Fudge, We can adjust tints, saturation, contrast, brightness as well. Let's have lower saturation, decrease contrast, decrease brightness. If you want to reset, just click that button. Let's download with transparent background.